Hi, I'm Sarah Haverstick, safety advocate with Evenflo. So you found the perfect car seat for the next decade of adventure with your little thrill seeker, but now you need to know how to install it. Well, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to show you how to install the Evenflo EveryFit all-in-one car seat in rear-facing mode with lower anchors. Before we begin, please review the instruction manual and all labels on the car seat prior to use. Lift up the recline handle and tilt the car seat back to one of the 3 rear-facing positions. Place the EveryFit on the vehicle seat facing the rear of your car. Make sure the bottom sits flat on the vehicle seat. Check the recline angle indicator. The level line should be parallel to the ground. Detach the lower anchor connectors from the sides of the car seat. The lower anchor straps come shipped in the rear-facing belt path so they are ready for use. Make sure the lower anchor connector is oriented in the correct direction and attach each connector to the corresponding anchor bar in the vehicle. To tighten the lower anchor connectors, push down with one hand in the center of the car seat while pulling the strap to remove excess slack. To check for tightness, grab the car seat at the belt path, which is where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. It is important to check for movement right where you have the car seat installed. For rear facing, that will be near your child's feet and not at their head. Make sure your child is reclined enough for their head to lie back comfortably and safely so they do not have difficulty breathing. Now you're ready for
This is the best friend of the traveling toddler, the Comfort Up car seat. A comfortable insert is fitted for when driving with your little ones. After they grow a bit, you can simply remove the insert. The headrest of the seat is soft and easy to adjust. Simply pull on the screw, turn, and press. Just like that. Easy, isn't it? You can also adjust the height of the belts. Unfasten the buckles. Now pull the belts out at the front. Move them higher and fasten them at the new level. Oops, stain alert. Well, just take off the cover, unfasten, pull out the buckles, remove, and you can wash it in the washing machine. Fitting it into the car is easy. Put the seat in and fasten it with the belts. Drag here, slide through here, drag again, and fasten. All done. Now for your little passenger. Put the toddler in the seat. Put the belts on. Tighten, buckle up, and done. Everything is ready. We can go and see the...